Working on this E350, and we're going to be adding a Victron battery to battery charger. So we did the previous installation. It's got a 190 watt solar panel on the roof, and then we did this 3 small lithium battery packs and that charge controller. Now we're going to be adding this guy. So I'm going to get it all wired up here. We're going to start by connecting a 10 gauge multi-stranded wire to the starting battery with a fuse. It's going to run across here. I'm going to put it in some loom, run it through, and there's a grommet in the bulkhead. I've got the wire poked through, but I don't know if you can see. Let's try to turn the camera. It comes out down here under the floor. So we're going to run this guy under this trim, down through this channel, up inside of this trim, and then over to the power center. So you'll see how we do that.
What we're doing furiously, as fast as we can, is exteriorizing the human nervous system into a global organism. And what's happening is a lot of people are being left behind, or without even realizing it, are just opting out. and saying, I can't handle it, it's too much to think about, I think I'll see what's on daytime TV, or I'll buy a newspaper, or I'll walk in the park to attempt to maintain the illusion that things are as they are. Things aren't as they are. Things have already become as they will be. The future is now not ahead of us. We're there. We're there. And the only question is, where do you position yourself now in this multidimensional matrix? You can deny it. You can become a reprobate, if you wish. Or you can move toward the front of knowledge. Position yourself close to the unfolding and empowering technology.
Like all animals, human beings want to dominate and exploit the resources around them. The very thought of God occurred to you only because you saw creation. When you were born and you opened your eyes, you looked around, so much creation. Before you came here, so much has happened. Obviously, you did not create it. So you thought, there must be a creator. This is how you come to the creator, isn't it? The moment you thought there must be a creator, because you're in human form, you thought it must be a big man. A small man like me cannot do all this. It must be a big man. Just 2 hands, how can it do so much creation? Must be 8 hands. Isn't it? If you were a buffalo, you would be really thinking, God is a huge buffalo. Isn't it so? Yes, sir. You won't ask a buffalo and see. A buffalo will insist, God is a huge buffalo. Maybe 4 horns. You know Idi Amin? You heard of Idi Amin? The Uganda man? Idi Amin declared, God is black. I agree with him. If a white man can have a white God, why can't a black man have a black God? But both those people are confused. We know God is brown. Because he visited us. So dogs will ask, why not a dog god? Actually, the spelling also is close, seem to be closer than you. So the idea of God is just an exaggerated version of yourself, isn't it?
So there are some important steps that we forgot to include in this video. We got in a little bit of a hurry and wanted to get the van back to its owner. So this is what you got to do. After you get the Orion charger installed, you're going to download the Victron Connect app to your smartphone. From there, you can go in and set all of the necessary settings. This is actually kind of important. Most Victron products are not what we would call plug and play. They do require setup, and you have to know a little bit about what you're doing. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll try and do better next time.